I am trying to install Roblox from this Roblox Player Installer application. Roblox window is loading. Roblox continue installation without flag settings from https client settings cdn.roblox.com v2 settings application PC client bootstrapper. Continue installation without flag settings. Error is showing. When I click OK, Roblox start loading. Roblox is still loading. Critical error. Installer encountered a critical error. See details. Failed to reach client settings cdn.roblox.com. Please check your internet connection. Critical error. Installer encountered a critical error. Click OK. Solution. Go to adjust date and time settings. Enable set time automatically. Enable set time automatically. After enable this set time automatically setting, I can able to install Roblox.